these people have asked me to do their balcony, or their patio. I did their bathroom, and the owner, I also did their ensuite as well in their house that they live in. This is the parents' house. I'm just doing this patio for them. It's stuck down very well, except just at the edge there, so I've just batched them off. I'm just doing a primer because you always prime in Australia. Everyone accepts tile over tile. A lot of people don't even prime it like I do. This has got a hole in it. I just bought it this morning from the hardware, but never mind, it's knackered. You get that. So we'll just pop this on while I'm setting myself up. I'll put aluminium around the edge. Oh, that plastic is a little bit slippery, so be aware of that, Chriso. It's going to be a nice warm day, I tell you. It won't take long for this primer to dry. They want a few stepping stones. They're going to false grass all this concrete, and they want a few stepping stones going down. That's easy. I just cut the tile in half. I don't usually do jobs like this, but once in a while. It'll take a couple of short days to do. I'll just lay this and then come back tomorrow and just do a couple more cuts and grout it in. Whoa, have you seen the slope? Look at the slope. Look at the slope on that. So we'll have to square that up. I will overhang my tile a lot more, so it'll touch the bottom there and it'll be nice and plumb. That needs a little bit of fixing up. That's all right. Okay, once I can hop up here, I'll do a bit of a set out. So I'll come back to you shortly. This is Chriso. Stay tuned. I will teach you how to tile, but please learn from my videos. Some people just go straight into it and they sort of muck up a little. Anyway, we'll see you soon. Bye.